Welcome to our channel, Elevate English. Today, we have another listening lesson for beginners. This lesson is about a daily conversation. It is a conversation at a cafe. A cafe is a place where you can drink coffee. You can also eat light meals. You can also relax. You can also meet friends. This is a very common situation. You might need to speak English at a cafe one day. This lesson will help you prepare. Let me introduce the people in our conversation. There are two people. The first person is David. David is a customer. He wants to buy a coffee. He wants to buy a snack. He is in a hurry. He has work to do. The second person is Mr. Thompson. Mr. Thompson works at the cafe. He is a barista. A barista is a person who makes coffee. He is friendly and helpful. He takes orders. He makes drinks. He serves food. The conversation takes place at a cafe. The cafe is a cozy place. There are small tables. There are comfortable chairs. There is soft music playing. There is the smell of fresh coffee. There is the smell of baked goods. There is a counter where the barista stands. There is a menu on the wall. There are pastries in a display case. It is a warm place. It is a welcoming place. Let us listen to the conversation. The conversation. David enters the cafe. He looks around. He sees the counter. He walks to the counter. Mr. Thompson is standing behind the counter. He smiles at David. He is ready to take his order. Mr. Thompson, good morning, sir. Welcome to our cafe. What can I get for you today? David, good morning. I would like a coffee, please. I need a hot drink. It is a cold morning. Mr. Thompson, of course. We have many types of coffee. We have espresso. We have cappuccino. We have latte. We have Americano. We have macchiato. Which one would you like? David, I would like a latte, please. I like lattes. They are creamy. They are smooth. They are delicious. Mr. Thompson, excellent choice. A latte is very popular. Would you like it hot or iced? David, hot, please. It is cold outside. I want something warm. Mr. Thompson, good. What size would you like? We have small, medium, and large. David, medium, please. That is perfect. Mr. Thompson, anything else? Would you like something to eat? We have fresh pastries. We have croissants. We have muffins. We have sandwiches. We also have cakes. David, yes, I would like a croissant, please. A plain croissant. I love croissants. They are flaky. They are buttery. They are delicious. Mr. Thompson, great choice. Croissants are very popular. They are baked fresh every morning. Would you like your croissant warmed up? David, yes, please. That would be lovely. Mr. Thompson, of course. I will warm it up for you. Is that everything for you today? David, yes, that is everything. Thank you. Mr. Thompson, excellent. Your total is $6.50. David, that is fine. I will pay with my card. Mr. Thompson, great. You can use the card machine here. Just insert your card. Then, enter your PIN. Then, press the green button. David, okay. Let me do that. David uses the card machine. He inserts his card. He enters his PIN. He presses the green button. The machine beeps. It says approved. Mr. Thompson, perfect. Your payment is approved. Here is your receipt. I will prepare your order now. It will just take a moment. David, thank you. I will wait here. Mr. Thompson prepares the latte. He pours the espresso. He adds the steamed milk. He adds the foam. He makes a beautiful design on top. He warms the croissant. He puts it in a bag. He puts everything on a tray. Mr. Thompson, here you are, sir. One medium hot latte. One plain croissant, warmed. Enjoy your drink and your food. David, thank you so much. It looks amazing. I am sure it will taste amazing too. Mr. Thompson, you are welcome. If you need anything else, just let me know. We have sugar. We have cream. We have napkins. We have everything you need. David, I think I have everything. Thank you for your help. Mr. Thompson, my pleasure. Have a wonderful day. David, you too. Goodbye. David takes his tray. He walks to a table near the window. He sits down. He takes a sip of his latte. It is hot. It is creamy. It is delicious. He takes a bite of his croissant. It is flaky. It is buttery. It is perfect. He is happy. He is relaxed. He is ready for the day. Vocabulary and expressions. Now, let us look at some important words and phrases from the conversation. We will learn their meanings. We will learn how to use them. Café. This is a place where you can drink coffee. You can also eat light meals. You can also relax. It is also called a coffee shop. Barista. This is a person who makes coffee. He works at a cafe. He takes orders. He makes drinks. He serves food. Latte. This is a type of coffee. It has espresso and steamed milk. It has a layer of foam on top. It is creamy. It is smooth. It is very popular. Espresso. This is a strong coffee. It is made by forcing hot water through coffee grounds. It is very strong. It is very concentrated. It is the base for many coffee drinks. Cappuccino. This is a type of coffee. It has espresso. It has steamed milk. It has a lot of foam. The foam makes it light. It makes it airy. Americano. This is a type of coffee. It is espresso with hot water. It is not as strong as espresso. It is like regular coffee. Croissant. This is a type of pastry. It is made of dough. It is flaky. It is buttery. It is very popular in France. It is also popular in many other countries. Pastry. This is a type of baked good. It is made of dough. It can be sweet or savory. Croissants are pastries. Muffins are pastries. Cakes are pastries. Menu. This is a list of food and drinks. You look at the menu to decide what to order. It is usually on a board or a piece of paper. Order. This is what you ask for. You tell the barista what you want. You say, I would like a latte. That is your order. Size. This tells you how big your drink is. Cafes have small, medium, and large sizes. You choose the size you want. Receipt. This is a small piece of paper. It shows what you bought. It shows the price. It shows the total. It shows the payment method. You get it after you pay. Phrases to remember. Here are some useful phrases from the conversation. You can use them in your own life. What can I get for you today? This is what the barista asks. It means, what would you like to order? It is a friendly way to start the conversation. I would like a coffee, please. This is a polite way to order. You say what you want. You say please to be polite. Would you like it hot or iced? This is what the barista asks. Some drinks can be hot. Some drinks can be iced. You choose the temperature you want. What size would you like? This is what the barista asks. You choose the size of your drink. You can say small, medium, or large. Anything else? This is what the barista asks. He wants to know if you want more items. You can say no, thank you if you are finished. I will prepare your order now. This is what the barista says. He will make your drink. He will get your food. You just need to wait a moment. Here you are, sir. This is what the barista says when he gives you your order. He hands you your drink and food. It is a polite way to serve you. Enjoy your drink and your food. This is a kind thing to say. It means, I hope you like it. It is a warm and friendly expression. If you need anything else, just let me know. This is what the barista says. He wants to help you. He wants you to be happy. He is offering more assistance if you need it. Have a wonderful day. This is a friendly goodbye. It means, I hope you have a good day. It is a nice way to end the conversation. Practice questions. Now let us practice. I will ask some questions. Try to answer them. Use the vocabulary we learned today. Question 1. What is a barista? A barista is a person who makes coffee. He works at a cafe. He takes orders. He makes drinks. He serves food. Question 2. What did David order? David ordered a medium hot latte. He also ordered a plain croissant. He wanted it warmed. Question 3. What types of coffee does the cafe have? The cafe has espresso, cappuccino, latte, americano, and macchiato. They have many choices. Question 4. How much did David's order cost? David's order cost $6.50. He paid with his card. Question 5. Where did David sit? David sat at a table near the window. He enjoyed his drink and his croissant. Practice dialogue. Now let us practice a simple dialogue. Imagine you are at a cafe. You are the customer. The barista is helping you. Try to speak the lines. Barista, hello. Welcome to our cafe. What can I get for you today? You, hello. I would like a coffee, please. Barista, what type of coffee would you like? We have many choices. You, I would like a latte, please. Barista, would you like it hot or iced? You, hot, please. Barista, what size would you like? You, medium, please. Barista, anything else? Would you like something to eat? You, yes, I would like a croissant, please. Barista, great. I will get that for you. Is that everything? You, yes, that is everything. Thank you. Barista, your total is $6.50. You, I will pay with my card. Barista, here you are, sir. Enjoy your coffee and your croissant. You, thank you. Have a wonderful day. Barista, you too. Goodbye. Summary. Today, we listened to a conversation at a cafe. We met David and Mr. Thompson. We heard how they talked. We learned new vocabulary. We learned useful phrases. Going to a cafe is a common experience. Many people go to cafes to drink coffee. Many people go to cafes to relax. Many people go to cafes to meet friends. You might need to go to a cafe one day. You might need to speak English at a cafe. You might need to order food or drink. This lesson helps you prepare. You can use the phrases we learned. You can order coffee. You can order food. You can ask about sizes. You can ask about types. You can pay with card or cash. You can be polite. You can be confident. You can get what you want. Practice this conversation at home. Practice with a friend. Practice alone. The more you practice, the better you will be. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. When you go to a cafe, you will be ready. You will not be nervous. You will speak clearly. You will get the help you need. We hope this lesson was helpful. We hope you learned something new. We hope you feel more prepared for a visit to a cafe. Coffee is a wonderful drink. Cafes are wonderful places. They are full of warmth. They are full of comfort. They are full of delicious things. Thank you for listening to English Listening for Beginners on our channel, Elevate English. We will have more conversations in the future. We will cover more situations. We will help you in your English journey. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye and good luck. And remember, a good cup of coffee can make any day better. Enjoy your coffee. Enjoy your English journey.